A complete accessory kit for a 4-corner air suspension system. Includes a set of 8 1/2-inch NPT air valves, 2 2500 style airbags, 2 2600 style airbags, 50 feet of 3/8 of an inch outer diameter hose, 50 feet of 1/4 of an inch outer diameter hose, dual gauge panel with 4 switches, pressure switch, fittings, thread sealant and hose cutter. All fittings in this kit are manufactured to the highest standards with premium brass material for maximum strength and durability. An onboard air system is required for operation.